Okay, please settle down. Panglingkod ang tanan nga nailingkuranan.
So at this point, I think Ma'am Sylvia, daghan kaayo tag participants today coming from the city and regional level na mga dignitaries, our local nutrition workers, our stakeholders and partners. At this point, to formally acknowledge the presence of our guests and participants, may we call on Ms. Caroline A. Cabunok, City Nutrition Action Officer of Cagayan de Oro City, to acknowledge the participants coming from the City LGU of Cagayan de Oro, including the members and dignitaries coming from the Regional Nutrition Committee and partner agency. So atong palakpakan si Ma'am Carol.
Thank you, sir. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Kapoy man day magbaklay basta tugulang na tabang. So, hopefully na warm up ang tanan, no? So, in behalf of the City Nutrition Committee, we warmly welcome you all to our Nutrition Month kick-off. This is a joint celebration. This is a joint kick-off with the regional office and the City Nutrition Committee. So, in behalf of our City Mayor, Rolando Clarix Uy, we would like to acknowledge our our partners. We would like to acknowledge Attorney Hilario Raagas, our city administrator. Thank you very much, Attorney Raagas, for gracing today's activity. So we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our regional assistant regional director, Dr. Raymond De La Cruz. Good morning, Dr. Raymond, on behalf of our director. So we would also like to acknowledge our City Health Officer, our department head, Dr. Rachel Villa. Happy birthday, Dr. Rachel! It's her birthday yesterday, so bibo kayo ang City Health Office. Thank you sa food, Dr. Villa. So kasi na pa yung subrado, ibiragapon ka rin. Okay, so we would also like to acknowledge our Nutrition Program Coordinator from the National Nutrition Council. We have Sir Richie Guillen. So we have also from DOH, from Family Health Cluster, Dr. Ilma Oclarit. Thank you very much, Doc, and sa additional snack from the DOH with Ma'am Stephanie Lim. Thank you very much. So we would also like to acknowledge our partners from the regional offices. Karot, thank you very much. Ako ni silang ila-ila, isa-isahon kay nagbaklay ra ba silang tanan. So we have regional offices from the DOH. ARD de la Cruz. So sino na si ARD de la Cruz assistant? Wala po daw ko na na-acknowledge si ARD. Ano, sir? Okay, so we have from the Department of Agriculture, Regional Office. We have also Palico Tindog. We have also participants from DENR, Regional Office. We have also the NNC staff, National Nutrition Council staff. We have also from the Regional Office, from the DSWD, from the DILG, from the NCIP, from the OCD, Office of the Civil Defense, from the Department of Agrarian Reform, from the Department of Trade and Industry, from the National Food Authority or NFA. So we have also participants from the BPWH, Department of Public Works and Highways. We have also, nag-cover karon for the regional. So we have the Philippine Information Agency. We have Sir Gab. Thank you very much. So we have also participants from the DOH PMNP. PMND. So naa sila din karon no? So welcome mga taga-regional offices and city offices from Cagayan de Oro. So I would like also to acknowledge ato mga participants from Cagayan de Oro City. So I would like to acknowledge the City Health Office, doctors, supervisors, and nurses, and personnel. Ang among doktor karon tanan full support na dinhi atong tanan doktor sa City Health Office. Thank you very much. So we would also like to acknowledge the members of the City Nutrition Committee. We have the Kendra. Ang Kendra sila ang nag-provide sa atong seedlings na Nara, and thank you very much. Pila ka seedling yan ito, sir? 500. Daghan kaayong 500. So mapuno atong boulevard karon sa atong pagtanong. So we have also partners from the Agriculture and Productivity Office. Nag-provide sila of fruit-bearing trees, which is the Goyabano and the coconut tree. Okay, so we have also partners from the Department of Education, City School Divisions. Asa na to sila? Headed by Ma'am Sharon and Ma'am Joanne. Thank you very much. Full force yapon sila, nahagapon sila tanan din. So we have also partners from the Nutritionist Dietitians Associations of the Philippines. Thank you very much. We have also from the CSWD, at mga partners from CSWD, our partners from Black or Gender and Development Division, Department. We have also from the City Improvement Divisions, CID. We have also from the CPDO. Asa itong taga CPDO? So we have also from the City Budget Office. Asa atong City Budget Office? We have also partners from the City Improvement Office. Asa ang mga taga City Improvement Office? So naasa dili atong tanan, full force nga po na atong mga nutrition staff from the City Health Office together with our Lourdes College OGPs nga mo nagtabang og facilitate anong atong program karon. Thank you very much. And of course, dili na to kalimtan ang atong members sa atong Barangay Nutrition Committee. Yay! Our 80 barangays na dili karon with our barangay chairman, our BNS, BHWs, and other men atong kagawad on health na sila dili karon present. Dili na lang ko mag-isa-isa kay murag init na. Usually isa-isa maginato ni sila og introduce, but karon tungod sa kadaghan sa atong participants, I would like to welcome you all sa atong kick-off activity sa atong July Nutrition Month. Thank you very much for joining and good morning everybody.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Caroline Cabuno. To officially welcome everyone to today's celebration, it is our honor to invite the City Health Officer of Cagayan de Oro City, Dr. Rachel D. Dillier.
Hello, mo lagi happy birthday. Kuan ka ng 64, so next year 65. Basta hindi na po maka-launching, depende akin halan ang launching sa kanang July 1. Parang pagyapon ko. But anyway, God is good na gitagaan tani nga tsada ng panahon, and then nakabakbayin ang tanan. Nagjuban ang Espiritu sa inyo kayo na sa pagbakbayin. Kaya nagtawas na lang ko din nagtanaw na kung layo naman kain mo, ahulat na lang din. Pero salamat din sa tanan na nag-anhil, especially sa itong mga dignitaries na din sa front, no, direct na atong kuan sa City National Nutrition Committee, from the regional office, and no less than our assistant regional director, and atong city administrator, Attorney Roy. Salamat din sa tanan, Dr. Elma, Dr. Elma, thank you good kay Sanan. And the rest, no, welcome good sa atong launching sa Nutrition Month. Ganong month good, no? Kay dili lang Nutrition Day, kay ang tao good makalimot, no? So when we have a month to really remind everyone about good nutrition. Pero I'm sure nga pag umanak istorya ani ugma unya malimtan na po, no? kanang kuan bitaw dili magkaon ug ani. So pila naman na ka minutos, the following minute nagkaon na sad ka. So we really need a month to remind everyone na good nutrition, wala kay makapuli sa good nutrition. And also this time ato na yung gikuan ang pagbantay sa atong kalikasan kay kita ra man gihapon ang naa sa aning earth, no? Isa ra man gyud kabuk atong earth. Prebeta atong na nagsakay Iloprano niya. Pagtanaw niya sa kuan sa tapiraw kay nasunog man. Hala, nasunog ang tapiraw. Sige lang, di bitaw ni ato. Bray na no. So kani ang earth halaga kapangit na. Sige lang, di bitaw ni ato. Pero naman gyapon ka dinhaman gapuyo. So this time is very kana inchakto gyud to remind us again and again. Okay, malimot lagi ta. So, welcome to the launching sa atong Nutrition Month sa July 2026. Ano ang adlaw good?
Daghan salamat, Dr. Rachel Dabadilla.
So our live stream no nata sa ato ang NNC Region 10 Facebook page and PIA Region 10. So pwede po ninyo i-share sa inyong mga Facebook pages no sa inyong agencies, our city na mga department and offices, including our barangay nutrition committees na mga Facebook page. To inspire us as we begin this month-long celebration, may we hear from the chairperson of the City Nutrition Committee and the City Mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Honorable Mayor Rolando Clarix A.O., represented by our City Administrator Hilario Roy Raagas.
Maraming salamat, Patrick, and iyang co-host Sylvia. I'm sure dili lang pariya ilang apelido, probably igsuon siguro sila or di sila igunsa. Salamat kaayo for this opportunity to be with you sa ngalan ni Mayor Rolando Clarix Uy. Allow me to greet everyone. Maayong buntag, init na medyo. Before na ko basahon ang mubo ng mensahe sa Mayor, allow me to say a few notes. Salamat kaayo for this opportunity, as I have said. Representing the Mayor in any event is always a privilege and an honor. Ganina unta, 5:30 pa kumabakod, kay kanabuntag mo man akong timbakod, ching, kay most of the time ako may ga-prepare sa pamahaw. Pero I was told last night nga musayo, so I woke up. May na lang kay ang dula ni Alex Iala was earlier in the evening and idaog. So at least tulog-tulog, arang-arang. But again, as I have said, it's a privilege. So I left the house around 5:15. Itong 5 o'clock kay inilo sila nga masayo is Ching. Boto pag-abot na ako dito kanina na maklay naman mo. Ingon kang nganong na maklay naman ni sila. Murag kanaaw ko pa lang, I was still sa sakyanan. Ihangat na ko gamay sa pag... So giingan ako ang staff, tawaga si Evelyn Bumbeo. Inang ako, mabaklay pa yung tusunod, pauli na lang ko, inasdukching, i-messenger ko na lang message ni Mayor Paliw, ipabasa na lang sa Juan. Pero I knew a pilgrimage program ang walk pa ingon din. So, napadayon ko din and ni-andayin mo ang uban. So, again, salamat kayo for this opportunity to be with Doc Ching, finance staff sa City Health Office, to be Dr. Raymond, DOH-10 led by our very good friend, Dr. Tisyong, and kamutanan sa DOH-10, Sir Reggie, sa Regional Office sa National Nutrition Council. Dagang mga kauban, partner agencies, nga dimension ni Carol Cagarina, salamat kaayo sa ngalan ni Mayor Clarix Uy for being here para aning atong joint launching karong buntaga. Apil ang tanan, nakita na ako na yung mga kapitan din, salamat kay kaninyong tanan from the barangays. No, ang Association of Dietitians and Nutritionists, salamat po kayo at mga partners from the private organizations. Kamang tanan nga niya dinhi. Timaan nga kitang tanan, we acknowledge the importance of nutrition. Gikan sa mga gagmayng bata, apil kita nga mga apil na kami si Dr. Raymond, dili pa discounter, mga discounter na 32%. Usahay nga, bisag kapaliton ka bas, uy, mangayo pa nga loobuan, mangayo pag discount. Pero tiyaw, but then again, very important, no, muna nga, yung tumato ko kay kagahapon, on the other day, nagsige ko kauna o ginatan nga mundos, kilami kayo, muna kisakit akong kuang gamay, kinasobraan, dokting. Muna nga kinahanglan, kitang tanan, pinantayon sa unsay atong agayan kaunon. And it's really good nga naaning month-long observance nutrition because I remember very well, mga more than 20 years ago when my older son was a grade school student sa Liceo de Cagayan, I joined a contest during the launching of the Nutrition Month, father and son cooking. So naka-third place at me, kaya akong giluto, bastoy man to akong giluto. It's really heartwarming to know that people like you left your barangay stations, sayo mo din uban, adto pa sa opisina unya, just to join here para ipakita nato sa tibuok kalibutan nga kita din sa this part of the country and together with others, no, all over the Philippines, kita nagtimaan sa importansya sa nutrition. And karon maayo kaayo kay isa sa himuon nato is tree planting. May na lang, pila ka years from now, ang lubi nga gikan aning mga lubi nga atong itanom, mahimo ra natong igata sa mga kabataan para sa kung naay kawayan dinhi apil yapon ang dabong atong may rasad makaon nato, di ba? Apil ang guyabano, dugangan tanan sa ice, mahimo na nato ng shake. So kaning tanan atong gihimo para sa dili lang para kanato but for the next generation. Tingali, many of us will no longer be here. Mahimong fruit-bearing and fruit trees, but then the future generation, no, sila makapahimulos daily. So at this point, allow me to read to you the message of Mayor Clarence Uy. And I quote, "Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. To our partners from the National Nutrition Council, the Department of Health, the Department of Agriculture, the Department of Environment, Natural Resources, and other agencies here present today, the City Health Office, the City Nutrition Committee, barangay officials, health workers, nutrition scholars, volunteers, partner agencies, and fellow Cagayanons, maayong buntag ug welcome. Every child deserves a healthy start, and every family deserves access to safe, nutritious, and affordable food. Mao kini ang tunong sa atong pagsaulog sa 52nd National Nutrition Month. This year's theme reminds us that good nutrition and a healthy environment go hand in hand. Kung atong ampingan ang atong palibot o kinaihan, masiguro usab nato ang luwas ug malungtaron nga tinubdan sa pagkaon alang sa atong mga pamilya ug sa umaabot nga henerasyon. Sa atong lokal nga pangagamhanan, we remain committed to strengthening nutrition programs, maternal and child health services, urban gardening, food security initiatives, and community-based health interventions, pinaagi sa panagtambayayong sa atong mga barangay, atong city LGUs o partner agencies. Let this celebration inspire all of us to live healthier lifestyles, reduce malnutrition, protect our environment, and work together for a stronger and healthier Cagayan de Oro. Daghang salamat sa inyong padayon nga suporta o pakigbahin niini nga importante nga kalihukan. Happy 52nd National Nutrition Month. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Close quote. Maayong adlaw.
Thank you very much, Attorney Raagas, for your inspiring message and unwavering support to nutrition initiatives in our city. I think na po ko'y makutlo na word, Ma'am Sylvia, katong pagtimbayayong.
Yes.
So it discuss, no? It reflects na kita tanan na ay role in creating a healthier and more sustainable food systems here in our city and even in the regional level.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Patrick. And now, let's proceed to our program. One of the highlights of this morning's celebration is the official unveiling of the 2026 Nutrition Month theme. Official yun, yung unveiling. Bisag na sa atubangan. May we respectfully request everyone nga akong gitawag karon to be in front. Attorney Roy Raagas, Assistant Regional Director Raymond De La Cruz, Engineer Reggie T. Divas, Mr. Romnick Tragamak, Mr. Reynaldo Guillen, Dr. Elma Oclarit, Dr. Rachel Dilia, Sina Caroline Kabunok, and representative from Barangay Makasandig, na ba? Kagawad Daryl Pimentel, to lead the unveiling of our Nutrition Month theme. Atong ihangyo si Assistant Regional Director Raymond De La Cruz to hold the tarp, and Mr. Reynald T. Gillian. Okay. Okay, at the count of 3, we will open. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, palakpakan nato. Official unveiling of our 52nd Nutrition Month theme, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan, ating pangalagaan. Okay? Photo op sa ta. Hooray! Okay, smile. One more. Okay, finally. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Palihog maglingkod.
To give us a better understanding of this year's sub-theme, so our 2026 Nutrition Month sub-theme supports the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition 2023 up to 2028 goal, no, of ensuring nutritious diet for all through healthy, resilient, and sustainable food systems. Ang ato ang theme this year, ato ang sub-theme, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan, ating pangalagaan. May we welcome our Regional Nutrition Program Coordinator and Officer in Charge of NNC Region 10, Mr. Reynaldo T. Guillen. Sa atong palakpakan si Sir Reggie.
Thank you, Pat. And thank you, Ma'am Sylvia. No? Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Mayong buntag ka natong tanan. Attorney Raagas, Doc, and Doc ARD. Alam niyo po, may dalawang bagay lang akong gustong sabihin. Mapakaganda ng mensahe na ni Attorney. Nagpapasalamat po ang National Nutrition Council Region 10 sa inyong presensya. Palakpakan muna natin yung ating mga sarili. Ano yung ating team? Sabay-sabay nga nating basahin. Nutrisyon at kalikasan, ating pangalagaan. Hindi ko na po pahabain. Meron pong message na inihanda pero hindi po ako magbabasa ng message. Kasi simple lang ang mensahe. Yung presensya natin ngayong umaga, nagkaroon tayo ng warm-up na Zumba, naglakad tayo. Ano ang ating gustong mensahe? Gusto nating i-highlight ang ugnayan ng ating kalikasan sa ating nutrisyon, no? Kinahanglan klaro sa atoa na dili pwede na walay kaugnayan ang atoang kapaligiran sa atoang nutrisyon. Sabi nga ni Doc, isa lang ang mundo, isa lang ang earth. Kung babaliwalain natin ang ating kalikasan, tayo rin ang apektado. Napaka-prophetic po ng ating venue, di ba? Several years ago, ito yung pinaka-devastated na parte ng Cagayan de Oro na maraming biktima ng bagyong Sendong. Sana yun palang klarong mensahe na sa atin, no? Gusto ko pong hingin sa inyong lahat na sana pag-alis natin ngayong umaga dito, limpyo kaayo ini nga lugar, no? Kasi kanina po, pagbalik natin, may nakita ako, may mga kalat sa daan galing dun sa ating mga lugaw. No? Real talk po tayo minsan. Ano? Ako po, kami ang nangunguna, ang NNC nangunguna, kasama kayong lahat sa activity natin sa Nutrition Month. No? Na kadalasan po, minsan nakikriticize ang gobyerno, no? Doc, attorney, no? Na marami tayong ginagawang event. Yan ba optics lang? Pang-generate lang ng validation sa ating publiko sa Facebook? Sana po hindi. No? Malinaw sa atin, klaro ang Cagayan de Oro City, tayong lahat, meron tayong programa at serbisyo para sa nutrisyon, meron tayong programa para sa ating kalikasan. No? Hindi lang yan optics, ginagawa natin yan ng totoo. Yun yung una kong sanang gustong mensaheng ipakita sa atin, no? Lahat po tayo dito converted na, alam na natin, kumbinsido na tayo sa kahalagahan ng nutrisyon at ng kalikasan, at sana ipagpatuloy natin yung pag-intindi na yon at pag-implementa ng mga programa. Pangalawa pong mensahe, gusto ko lang bigyang diin na napakahalaga ng ating pagsama-sama para sa ating tema ngayon ng nutrisyon. Kami po sa NNC, paulit-ulit kaming nananawagan, paulit-ulit kaming nakikipagtrabaho sa inyong lahat kasi hanggang ngayon, tanggapin man natin o hindi, medyo malungkot po sa amin na ang Northern Mindanao tumaas pa ang stunting rate. From 25, naging 27 pa siya. Medyo hindi po natin yun ikinakatuwa. Ano? Kailangan natin mas maging mahusay ang pagtatrabaho para lalo pang bumaba yung ating stunting rate, no? Ito po yung ating gustong mensahe. Panghuli na lang po gusto kong sabihin, baka masyado na tayong mainitan, no? Yung pong salita natin ngayon na gusto kong iwanan sa ating tema, likas. Ang likas po ay natural, no? Hindi yung sabon, ha? Pero gusto ko siyang dagdagan ng ano ba ang Tagalog sa sustainable? Ang Tagalog po sa sustainable ay likas kaya, no? Pag sinabing likas kaya, sustainable yung ating gustong gawin, no? Ang ating mga programa, ang ating mga serbisyo, ang ating kapaligiran, ang ating susunod na henerasyon. Kaya nga merong tinatawag na sustainable development. Bakit likas kaya? Pag sinabing likas, natural. Ibig sabihin, dapat natural sa ating nagpoprotekta ng kapaligiran. Natural sa atin na kumakain ng mga tama at wastong pagkain, subalit may mga challenge tayo doon. May food insecurity at may iba pa. No? Pero dapat likas sa ating mga mamamayan na merong mga nakukuhang programa at serbisyo para ma-attain natin ang maayos na kalusugan at nutrisyon. Ngayon, bakit may kaya? Kasi kaya nating gawin itong lahat kung tayo ay sama-sama. So yun lang yung gusto kong iwanang mga kataga natin ngayong umaga. Kung si attorney merong pagtambayayong, no? Ako merong likas kaya kasi consistent sa ating tema, sustainable development, ang ating tema, nutrisyon at kalikasan, ating pangalagaan. Kung hindi natin yan gagawin, ang disruption sa ating food system ay ang disruption sa kapaligiran ay disruption sa food system. Kapag may disruption sa food systems, mayroong paglaki ng tsansa na dadami ang ating malnutrition at food insecurity. Yun lamang po at magandang umaga muli sa ating lahat. Let us proceed with our tree planting activity sana. Kung meron pa bang parte ng programa, Kasi po, yung ating gagawing tree planting ay isa sa gusto sana nating mensahe, sabi nga ni attorney, na yung itatanim natin dito ay mga future generations ang makikinabang. Lalo na yung paggagatak sa nyug. Ano? Maraming salamat po, maayong buntag sa tanan.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you, Sir Reggie. So, sa base sa gingon ni Sir Reggie, we need to create greater awareness now on the importance of adopting sustainable food systems and dietary practices that promotes both human nutrition and environmental sustainability.
Okay, so nutrition is a shared responsibility that requires the commitment of every sector. To deliver their message of support, may we welcome first message of support from Dr. Sulpicio Henry M. Legaspi Jr., Regional Director, DOH, CHD, Northern Mindanao Chair, Regional Nutrition Committee, represented by ARD Raymond de la Cruz.
May buntag, salamat ma'am. Akong pagtahod sa atong representative of the Office of the Mayor, Attorney Roy. May buntag. Dako kaya kong kalipay basta makita ta kay always makadumdum ko nga dili gid nimo kalimtan nga ang among ang story about sa mga tao sa DOH, especially ang among Regional Director, Dr. Bisyong nga inyong kauban sa una while mga estudyante pa mo. Maayong buntag, and also Doc Ching, maayong buntag and happy birthday. Paka na to si Doc Ching. And also Sir Reggie and all ako mga kauban sa DOH, Doc Oclarit, and also Steph, sa tanang mga miyembro sa Regional Nutrition Committee, mga members sa Barangay City and Barangay Nutrition Committee, kanatong tanan, maayong buntag. Dili na nako ni siya task on kay diha nagpayong na sila solo isab. Ako lang gustong gawas, paabot lang nako ang mensahe gikan sa atong Regional Director, Dr. Sulpicio Henry Legaspi, Doc Pisyong, ang among kanunay nga pagsuporta sa programa sa nutrition. This year, nagpalahi ang atong tema sa pipila na ka mga katuigan nga we celebrate Nutrition Month. This year is the 52nd Nutrition Month celebration with the theme Nutrition at Kalikasan ating pangangalagaan. We are threatened by the impact of climate change. We all know that. And we also believe, and this is not theoretical, in some parts of Region 10, there are areas, there is Cagayan de Oro, Sigi, ug ulan, but there are areas in northern Mindanao nga talag sa ragyod mag-ulan. And with it, affected ang ilang pananom. In fact, sa katong bata-bata pa ko, ang kataas sa mais, tupong nako. But this time, because walay ulan, tagatuhod na lang ang mais. So what will happen to our food security? This is always a threat. Kung wala tay production, wala tay pagkaon. So kinsa ang most vulnerable? According to Sir Reggie, nagtaas ang atong kaso with the recent release of the National Nutrition Survey. Nag-increase by 2 scale ang atong stunting. And we all know as practitioner and worker of nutrition that stunting is a manifestation of a chronic exposure of undernutrition. So with the effect of climate change, ang kaning mga areas nga walay talag sa raog ulan, dako kayo og epekto sa atong food security, sa atong sa atong supply chain, sa atong pagkaon. So kami sa Department of Health, on behalf of the men and women of the Department of Health, kanunay kami, we always express our support to all the nutrition committees in the region. Let us, despite of this threat, let us use this as an opportunity to work together to find ways so that the impact of climate change on our food system will be minimized. So let's work together. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagpakialam sa atong programa sa nutrition na atay PIPAN. Let's continue to find ways nga ang atong mga activities will address the need of the most vulnerable, the children, the pregnant women, and the elderly. Kay sila ang nanginahanglan og dako kayo nga tabang, sila ang nakinahanglan og dako nga suporta in terms of nutrition. So with that, daghang salamat og happy 52nd Nutrition Month sa atong tanan.
Thank you, ARD De La Cruz. Next, we have Jose Apollo Y. Pacamalan, Regional Executive Director of the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 10, Vice Chair of the Regional Nutrition Committee 10, represented by Engineer Reggie T. Vivas. A round of applause, please.
So, good morning, everyone. So, in behalf of our Regional Executive Director, Director Jose Apollo Y. Pacamalan, so maayong buntag sa tanan, especially sa mga barangay, sa barangay Cagayan de Oro, at sa mga barangay sa Cagayan de Oro City. So today I will be reading the message of our Regional Executive Director. So the Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 10, supports the Nutrition Month with the theme Nutrition at Kalikasan, Ating Pangalagaan. The department has consistently pursued initiatives that empower communities to achieve sustainable food production and healthier lives. Our programs focus on strengthening food security and improving nutrition through the distribution of climate-resilient vegetable seeds and the promotion of organic agriculture. These efforts help restore soil health, increase agricultural productivity, and provide communities with safe and nutritious food. The Department of Agriculture also supports the convergence initiatives of national government agencies, including the National Nutrition Council's Go Grow Glow Garden program. Also, we will work closely with 35 local government units in northern Mindanao that continue to experience high rates of malnutrition. As the Vice Chair of the Regional Nutrition Committee, or RNC, we fully support the launch of Nutrition Month and reaffirm our commitment to strengthening collaboration among stakeholders. Together, we can implement effective interventions in communities with high malnutrition rates, particularly among school-aged children. Let us work hand in hand in promoting proper nutrition, sustainable agriculture, and a healthier future for every Filipino. Together, let us support nutrisyong sapat para sa lahat. Thank you.
Okay, dagan kayong salamat, Engineer Reggie Vivas. Our next message of support is from Mr. Henry A. Adornado, Regional Executive Director, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Region 10, represented by Mr. Romnick Ragama.
Thank you. For anything else, good morning and my respect to all our honorable members and guests today. As Reggie, for our Regional Nutrition Council Head, Attorney Ragas, Doc Ching, and ARD De La Cruz, good morning to all of you. And of course, to all our participating barangays, no? May buntag, and thank you for actively participating in today's activity. So I have here a 2 pages message from our Red, but with all due respect, all due of his respect, and with his permission, I'll just grab some few lines here for the benefit of time. Kaya medyo init na gyud, no? So again, to all of us, good morning. I'll just grab some lines, some message sa among Red. By the way, our Red, we have a newly installed Regional Executive Director, by the way. The former Dr. Henry A. Adornado is now the Regional Executive Director of Mimaropa. And Region 4, and now, yes, Calabarzon, and now we are headed by the former ARD for Technical Services of DNR Region 10, Mr. Ronald D. Gadot. So this is the message from Ronald D. Gadot. As mentioned, I'll be grabbing some few lines, no? This year's theme, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan Ating Pangalagaan, profoundly reflects a truth that lies at the very heart of DNR's mandate, that the health of our people is inseparable from the health of our environment. So with the commemoration of this month's Nutrition Month, DNR Region 10 reaffirms its commitment to strengthening environmental governance and that cultivating Northern Mindanao, where health of ecosystem sustain healthy communities and where environmental stewardship becomes the cornerstone of a nourished, resilient, and sustainable future. Mabuhay ang ating kalikasan, mabuhay ang masustansyang pamumuhay, at isang makakalikasang buwan ng nutrisyon sa ating lahat. Daghang salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Romney Pragama. Ang gihangyo ang uban nga nangainitan na diha sa ibabaw, pwede mo munaog sa naay shaded nga part dinhi dapit. Ang mga walay payong, pwede na munaog. Okay? Okay, let's proceed.
May we request everyone to please rise? Mag-request me na magtindog tong naglingkod for the Nutrition Month Pledge to be led by Miss Sheena Mariti Abellanosa, Nutrition Officer 3 of the National Nutrition Council, Region 10.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me for the 2026 Nutrition Month Pledge. I state your name, representing your office, state your office or barangay. Firmly recognize that access to safe, sufficient, and nutritious food is a fundamental right of every Filipino. We recognize the challenges that climate change brings and believe that a healthy environment is the foundation of sustainable food production and good nutrition. As we observe the 52nd Nutrition Month with the theme, Sapipan, Sama-sama sa Nutrisyong Sapat para sa Lahat, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan Ating Pangalagaan. We commit to promoting good nutrition and protecting the environment, and pledge to live healthy through proper nutrition and balanced diet, invest in programs that promote food and nutrition security, keep our environment healthy and protected for generations to come, act together in supporting sustainable food systems and healthy communities, and strengthen partnerships for a stronger, greener, and healthier Philippines. So help me God. Happy Nutrition Month, everyone.
Okay, palihog mang lingkod. Kay padayon ta. So the success of our nutrition programs would not have been possible without the dedication and collaboration of our partners. To recognize our valued partners, may we call on Ms. Cheryl Faith Española, City Nutrition Program Coordinator from City Health Office.
Good morning, everyone. This certificate of appreciation, is awarded to our partners, for their efforts to make this event successful. But before that, we would like to request the presence of Sir Reggie, ARD De La Cruz, Dr. Ching, and Attorney Roy, and also our CNOW, Caroline Cabunok, to be here in front to award this certificate of appreciation. Let me read the citation. Certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to, in grateful recognition of your invaluable partnership and steadfast support to the City Government of Cagayan de Oro and City Nutrition Committee during the 52nd Nutrition Month kickoff activity with the theme Nutrition at Kalikasan, Ating Pangalagaan. Signed, given this 3rd day of July 2026 at Macasandig Boulevard, Cagayan de Oro City, signed by City Mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Rolando Clarex AUE.
Another set of certificate of appreciation coming from the Regional Nutrition Committee 10. I will read the citation. Certificate of appreciation is given to Rolando A. Uy, City Mayor, Cagayan de Oro City, Chairperson, City Nutrition Committee, in recognition and sincere appreciation for his unwavering support during the 2026 Joint Regional and City Nutrition Month launching with the theme, Sapipan, Sama-sama sa Nutrisyong Sapat para sa Lahat, and sub-theme, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan, Ating Pangalagaan. Organized by the National Nutrition Council Region 10, City Government of Cagayan de Oro, Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 10, and Department of Environment and Natural Resources 10, held on July 3, 2026 at Macasandig River Boulevard, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed by Reynaldo T. Guillen, MPA, Nutrition Program Coordinator and Officer in Charge, National Nutrition Council, Region 10.
Daghan kayong salamat to the members of the Regional Nutrition Committee, Region 10. Murag si Sir Reggie siguro ang mo receive. Thank you very much, RNC and NNC Region 10. Next, daghan kayong salamat to the Department of Health Region 10. Si Doc Elma na lang siguro itong i-request here in front together with ARD De La Cruz. Again, thank you very much, DOH Region 10. Another certificate of appreciation is presented to the City Agriculture Office of Cagayan de Oro City for our seedlings, nga gamiton for our tree planting this morning. Thank you very much. May we call on Sir Joseph, the members of our CNC. Thank you, City Agriculture Office, for our seedlings. Dari ka, Sir Joseph, sa tunga. Also, we would like to give this appreciation to the City Local Environment and Natural Resources Office, CLENRO, for the seedlings gihapon nga ilang gi-provide sa ato for our tree planting. Any representative from CLENRO office? And last, we are also very grateful to Makasandig Barangay Council, headed by Punong Barangay Mario Bolaño. Naa si Kagawad Pimentel. Sige na, si Ma'am Sylvia. Diri ka sa...
Another, okay, photo. Okay, so another set of certificate of appreciation is given to Rolando A. Uy, City Mayor Cagayan de Oro, Chairperson of the City Nutrition Committee. Same citation is given to Dr. Rachel D. Dilia, City Health Officer, City Health Department of Cagayan de Oro City. Same certificate of appreciation is given to Dr. Raymond G. De La Cruz, Assistant Regional Director, Department of Health Center for Health Development, Northern Mindanao. Same citation is given to Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 10. Ayaw saghawa, ma. Same citation is given to Jose Apollo Y. Pacamalan, Regional Executive Director, Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 10, Vice Chair of the Regional Nutrition Committee 10. Again, ayaw saghawa pud, ma'am. Same citation is given to Engineer Reggie T. Vivas, Agriculturist 2, Department of Agriculture, RFO 10. So next set of certificate of appreciation is given to DENR Region 10. Ayaw saghawa din, sir. Same citation is given to Romnick Pragamak, Administrative Officer 2 of DENR Region 10. So, photo op. Next certificate is given to Mario B. Bolaño, Punong Barangay of Barangay Makasandig, Cagayan de Oro City. Si Ma'am Sylvia. Okay. Next certificate is given to City Government of Cagayan de Oro. Another certificate is given to City Agriculture Office. Okay, so last but not the least, certificate of appreciation is given to City Local Environment and Natural Resources. So as we conclude our program, may we now hear the closing message from our Regional Nutrition Program Coordinator and Officer in Charge, Sir Reggie. The floor is yours again.
Thank you, Patrick. Maraming salamat po. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Napakasaya po namin. Malipayon nga, Nutrition Month sa imong tanan, sa atong tanan. Hindi na po natin patagalin. Let us proceed with our tree planting. Sana po ay pagpatuloy natin ang suporta sa nutrition program ng city government at sa ating mga regional line agencies, ganun din. Lalo na po yung ating G4 ay ating i-expand, no? So, maraming salamat po and magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much, Sir Reggie. Closing na to, pero
before we go down, no, di sa dili pa ta mag-plant, natay gamay nga instructions sa ihatag from Clenro. So ako ang tawagon ang representative from Clenro to give the instructions, or Sir Joseph Borja to give instructions.
May buntag sa tanan. Sa City Agriculture Office, nanghangyo ming dili tanan itanom ang guyabano o lobidia sa kaning suba kay mabahaan diya dili siya mo survive. Nagstorya mi ni Administrator Ragas nga pili dito sa sidewalk. Dadon na sa balay ang ruwan tingali. Pero pili ta magtanom sa sidewalk, at least natay pagkaon diya nga kuan. O mga hinyo mi sa barangay sa Makasandig, kumahimo at imanon na to ang atong mga fruit trees. Kay part na siya sa program sa Hapag project sa DILG. May DILG ni pero na memorandum pa na circular nga dapat timanon ang mga fruit trees sa barangay. Okay, nakasabot ta.